The other day, I was working on something in Claude Code and I ran out of tokens and I was so close to being done. That is one of the worst things that can happen to you when you're developing software. And it came to me. There should be a way that I can record everything Claude Code's doing as far as in the harness and reduplicate it with the local model. So that's why I came up with the agent recorder, because it inspired me to create something that could record my CLI while I'm coding and take that session, everything that it fixed, everything that worked, and put it in a type of training format that I could train another harness for it. So not only did we stop there, we got live replay. We need live replay. We need to see what Claude Code did and how it did it. Echo, bash, these are things that it doesn't, and it doesn't stop there, because what I did was, I was smart about this. I created a tutorial to help me understand exactly how it works. I had the idea. I knew what I needed. Once it was built, now I need to understand how do I use it. And I know what you're saying. Well, you're not a real coder. Hey, forward deployment is forward deployment. If it works, it's full stack. You can learn how to use it, as long as you understand how you scaffold it. And that's one of the reasons I did the tutorial. But it didn't just stop there.
This tool wraps any command line AI coding agent in a terminal recorder, capturing every prompt, response, and exit so you can replay or export the session later. Let's walk through how it works. Agent Recorder spawns your agent, Claude Code, Codex, Aider, or a plain shell inside a pseudo-terminal. It mirrors input and output lib while quietly recording everything to a local SQLite database.
Definitely saving this.
This terminal panel is playing back a real recorded session right now, typed out and auto-scrolling exactly as it happened. This is not staged. It is actual output captured during development. Every session you record shows up here as a card, with its agent, status, and duration. Watch, clicking a card jumps the replay panel straight to that session. Under the hood, one event bus feeds 4 subsystems. Record captures the tie session, store writes it to SQLite, replay plays it back, and export flattens it to plain JSON, which is exactly what generated the data on this page. Getting started takes 4 commands. Clone the repo, install dependencies, build, and run record, followed by the name of your agent. From there, the sessions and replay commands work the same way on your own recordings. That is Agent Recorder in a nutshell. The full source is on GitHub. Feel free to explore, record your own sessions, or replay this tour anytime from the tutorial button.
Tell me that wasn't nice. Tell me that wasn't. That alone, that tutorial alone needs to be a skill that I can put on everything I build. I like that. It pretty much said everything I was trying to say way better than I could have said it. So Agent Recorder, we're going to get some live footage of me actually using this and then implementing it in my harness. So that will probably be coming up in the next few videos. Hey man, if this was a cool video and it gave you anything you could use, subscribe and like, I would appreciate it. I'm going to do it either way. Whether you like or subscribe or not, I'm going to do it. Hey man, data is data, and becoming token independent is more important than anything to me right now. Mr. Mo 28, holla, holla.